It was kind of, just the opportunity that I took, coming off the screen. I see that, the defender dropped back, so it was more so just making a move, and it was an opportunity I took, and, I look forward to, I'm cool having one of those a game every game, so it felt really good. It felt really good, just to get back in the groove of things, getting my legs back. It felt really good to have that one under my belt.
I've been telling him, when he's not aggressive, he hurts us, so it was good to see him, be aggressive and get that. It was cool.
Just knowing that he's finally coming out of the shell, he's getting back to what he's been doing and used to be doing, it's amazing. I'm his roommate. I see him every day. We work every day. We work outside of practice every day. And I know that he's getting better. I'm getting better. And this is just the tip of the iceberg.